Hi, I'm Matt, a plumbing specialist here at Caroma. Today I'm going to take you through the LiveWell Bidet toilet seat and show you just how easy it is to retrofit to the Caroma toilet suites. If you want to get the great features of a bidet but on a tight budget, this is the one for you, and you don't even need to change the toilet. And check this out, the remote gives you full control of your experience. You can choose your own washing style, adjust water temperature, pressure and nozzle position, even turn on the massage function and finish with a warm air dry. It's comfort, personalised exactly the way you like it. Designed and engineered right here in Australia, this seat brings comfort, cleanliness and control. Of course, hygiene is critical, and that's why this bidet seat comes with Caroma Germ Guard protection, which kills 99% of germs. It also has a self-cleaning nozzle and a quick release seat, so cleaning is fast and simple. As always, here at Caroma we take backflow prevention seriously. This seat incorporates important safety features such as an air gap, dual check valve, and of course it's watermarked. For more technical information, get your plumber to visit Caroma Plumbers Hub. Let me show you how easy it is for your plumber to install this bidet toilet seat. Install the toggle clamps onto the toilet bowl. Position the seat fixing plate using the installation template. Ensure the arrow points upwards. Secure the fixing plate with the provided screws and washers. Align the bidet seat hinges with the fixing plate and slide them into place. Push the bidet seat backwards until it clicks and locks into position. Connect the dual check valve to the water inlet. Attach the bidet seat filter to the dual check valve. Connect the flexible water inlet hose from the filter to the bidet seat. Plug in the power cord and confirm the unit power is on. Before you order, don't forget to check out our toilet pan compatibility guide. It's just a quick check to make sure that everything fits just right. So if you're looking to upgrade your bathroom, the Caroma LiveWell Bidet toilet seat has you covered.